Hey kids, welcome to Lesson 11, While Loops, number 16. Plus plus has a friend, introducing dash dash. As you may have guessed, just as we can write count equals count plus 1 is count plus plus, we can also write count equals count minus 1 is count dash dash. Let's write a program that counts down from 10 to 1. We have some do this. Starter code. The current program counts up from 1 to 10. Change the code to use a count dash dash to count down from 10 to 1. You will need to change the looping condition, change the count plus plus to count dash dash, change the initial value assigned to count. This sounds pretty interesting, but I think this one's a little trickier than what might first appear. Let's look at our code here. We have a variable count, which equals 0. While the count is less than 10, count plus plus. And then we're going to spit out a console.log message of the count. This should count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because we're starting off at 0, and as long as the count is less than 10, we're going to keep going. Let's try that out. Run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At this point, it's counting up really nice, but we want it to count down. And we need 3 things to do that. First, let's take care of the easy one. Let's take count plus plus to count dash dash. Now be careful. If you just go ahead and hit reset and run now, it certainly is going to count. It's doing it in the background here. It's probably going to take a while. Might even crash. Ooh, here we are. What it's doing, let's reset here, slowing down my computer. It is counting down. And it started off at 0, and it kept going. And it kept going because the count is always going to be less than 10. So it just kept going and going and going. And another thing here I want to point out. It started at 0, but our first number was that -1 there. Just a little hint, so if we want our count to go down from 10 to 1, really need to start at 11. And this just showed us there because the first thing that's going to be printed out is the next number down. That takes care of our change the initial value assigned to count. Let's change the looping condition right now. Right now it says anything that is less than 10. And that's not really what we want to do. We really want it to be greater than 1. Why? Well, as long as the number is greater than 1, we want it to keep going. As soon as it is not greater than 1, we want it to kick out of the loop. That would be 0. In this instance, it's not going to print off the first number. It'll go to 10. It'll keep going till the loop is less than 1, or the count number is greater than 1. So a 0 is not greater than 1. And then it will spit out the count here. Let's try out our hypothesis. Reset. Ooh, we should clear our debug console. And let's run it. And we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Just to show why we did that, let's put the 10 in there. Reset, run. And we get 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. To get that first number displayed, we just have to go up 1 because, again, it is not displayed the first time through. Looks pretty good to me. We changed the looping condition. We changed the count plus plus to count dash dash. And we changed the initial value assigned to count. I think that's all code.org wanted from us. Let's see if they want anything else. Nope. Good job, kids. I'll see you on the next lesson.